Hey guys, I will show you how to replace these dark glasses to a clear glasses for this rear side door. Okay, this is what I am going to place. The clear one, I will replace the dark one. This door has a 3 screws that we're going to remove. One from here, one from here, and one from there. Okay. So you have to press this in order to release this harness. So you have to lift this side up and then push towards there. There's a 4 screws for this. So you have to remove these two. Then we have to remove this plastic, and we should cut this epoxy. So the next one, we're going to lowering this glass in order to remove this screw from this glass. Okay, so it's because this door is not connected on the car. We need a 12-volt supply for this. So I have a power supply, so we are going to set up the 12 volts. So there's a 12 volts, 5 amperes. So we're going to turn on. Okay, we have a 11.99 and 5 amperes. Okay, so now we're going to trace a wire from the motor. So this wire came from the motor, and the color of this wire is green and blue white. So it says green and blue white, this one and that one. This is the wire from the motor. So we can supply a 12 volts for that in order to lowering that glass. Okay, if I will put here a negative from the blue white and positive to green, let's see what happened. Okay, so the other way. Okay, as you can see, we can lowering the glass. So you move this glass until you see this bolt. Okay, there's a 2 bolts in here, one more here and there. So we're going to remove that in order to remove this glass. Okay, so then we have to remove these 3 screws, 1, 2 and 3. We have to remove this because this metal is in a way, right? So we're going to move this glass. So in order to move this down, we're going to lose this one. We have to remove these three bolts so that we can move this one away from this glass. Now we have to move this glass down. Okay, then we're going to remove this bolt in order to move this one away from this glass. Okay, so that once that we lowering this glass, we're going to push this one towards there so that we can slip this glass from this or from a trailer. So we can push these ones away from this glass later on. Okay, so now we need this in order to push this one this way, right? Yeah, see? Okay. There you go. Okay. So in order to remove this permanent glass, you have to remove this screw in order to remove this permanent glass. Okay. Slide this one here. There you go. Okay. Move this back. So you have to have space like this, see, in order to insert the glass in here. Okay. So before you move this glass down, you have to make sure that this one is on top of this glass, not under the glass. So now we're going to move this glass on this rail. Okay. So it should be like that. I already moved back on the rail. Okay.